making our way to downtown Tampa at the University of Tampa. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today, y'all, we are in the hot city of Tampa. Now, y'all, we have a lot to cover today, but because it is 90 degrees outside and I am not going to be walking everywhere, I have chosen the top 10 places, in my opinion, that I've seen online to go ahead and cover today for you all. So before we get started, y'all, I want y'all to do me a huge favor and knock out some housekeeping things. Please hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. And doing this, y'all, takes literally 1 second, and it truly helps me out. Now that all of that is done, y'all, we are gonna go around this campus today, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get rolling. All right, y'all, so our first stop today on the University of Tampa's campus is my favorite place on every campus, the Vaughn Center. Now, the Vaughn Center is the student center here, and it also is home to Residence Life. The building has 9 stories. Also, it is home to the University of Tampa bookstore. Also, it has the dining hall. You have an outdoor patio, and this is where you're gonna spend a lot of time with your friends, maybe in between classes, where you're gonna eat at, all that good stuff. So there is a lot to see here, so I'm gonna just stop talking and show y'all what the Vaughn Center has to offer here at the University of Tampa. Alright, y'all, so our next stop on campus is going to be the Ars Sonora. Now, this is the largest Ars Sonora in the world and the first of its kind in the US. This grand musical sculpture soars over 105 feet in the center of the campus here at University of Tampa. Very unique, very iconic, and it is a masterpiece here at UT. All right, so here's a little fun historical fact. So Babe Ruth hit his longest home run, estimated at about 587 feet, right here on April 4th, 1919, during a spring training game in Tampa, Florida. At the time, he was playing for the Boston Red Sox against New York Giants at Plant Field, which is now the site of the University of Tampa. So our next stop, right near the Ars Sonora and across the street from the Vaughn Center, is going to be the College of Business. Now, the College of Business is for all those business majors, all those interested in finance, all that good stuff. You're going to have your home base right here at the John Sykes College of Business. Now, this is for all of my people of faith. Now, college, it can be a lot. Knowing from going to college, it can be a lot. And I was very grounded in my faith in college. Faith is what helped me get through. So, if you are feeling like you just really need, I highly suggest you check out the chapel to, just recenter yourself with God. And it's really helpful. It's hot out here, y'all, but what I do love also about this campus is that really things are close together. Like usually I'm walking around campus, but things are really close together here, and I really am enjoying it. Like for real, like my feet don't hurt. Yeah, win is a win. All right, y'all, so what I'm doing right now is walking on the Riverwalk. It is beautiful. They have the Tampa Museum of Art literally right there. They have, if you want to take a little tour boat, they have that too. And it's really just a beautiful scenery around here. It truly freaking is, and I absolutely love it. All right, y'all, well, that is a wrap on our journey here at the University of Tampa. It's hot out here, but it is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love it here, but I gotta go. So y'all, if you like this video, please do me a huge favor, leave that thumbs up, comment, say great video, love it, where you wanna see me go next. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. And until the next video, y'all, please remember, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.